Welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers and mid to large size law firms. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Today we need to talk about paying better attention to our bios and our profiles in social media. And, most of the time we hear this talked about for LinkedIn. I spend a lot of time talking about how to build the correct profile and the entire summary, and that's another whole broadcast. But what I want to talk about is being so casual about what we place in our bios and profiles across social media that people have no clue what we do. For example, I use Instagram. Many of you use Instagram. It's something to be paid attention to because there's a lot of networking going on there. But whether it is Instagram or it's Facebook or it's Twitter, you need to tell people what you do, because I will have people send me friend requests, or they'll follow me, or they'll ask to join my group on Facebook, and I'll click through to their profile and there's nothing there. And I'll look down at their activity in their newsfeed, and there's nothing there that indicates to me or that helps me connect the dots to us having a reason to be connected on that platform. And so my tendency is to not to connect with those people. I always say, if I can connect the dots when someone sends me an invitation, then I am more than happy to connect. But if I can't, then we probably won't connect. And one example, yesterday on Instagram, I had a connection where I had somebody follow me, and I went to his profile to check him out, and I don't even remember what the exact words were, but it was something like, Hercules turned into, I don't even remember the exact words. It was nothing to do with anything about business or about the profession or about marketing. It was just somebody being very clever in his profile, and that was it. He didn't even use the full amount of characters that are given to him by Instagram to say anything more. And there was nothing in his URL. His URL did not point to anything that showed me that he should be a business connection. And I'm seeing that happen a lot. People are spending a little more time taking care of their profiles on Twitter and LinkedIn, but on Facebook and Instagram, for example, we're not paying attention to them. And just because it's your personal profile on Facebook does not mean that people aren't checking you out. Facebook has been for a long time, but it is even more becoming a place for business networking, because the lines are gray, the lines are softening, and those people we're connected with on our personal profiles are also our business contacts, and we need to let them know what we do. So when somebody clicks through to your profile, make sure they understand what it is you do. That doesn't mean on your personal profile on Facebook, for example, that you have to talk business on your profile, but at least let people know what it is you do. You have so many characters over there to explain, and then put a URL to something that shows, maybe it's your LinkedIn profile. I know, cross-posting from Facebook to LinkedIn, who'd have thought? But at least it will tell people that you have a side to you that they want to learn from, or when you send them a friend request, that they really have a reason to connect with you. I get a lot of random requests because I'm in so many groups on Facebook for different products that I've purchased, and a lot of lawyer groups, a lot of legal marketing groups, a lot of social media and digital media groups. And we interact a lot in groups, but I will get friend requests from people that I don't remember interacting with, because I might have spent so much time in that group that there's no way I can remember everybody that was a part of a discussion. So help us out. Put a little more information in your bios and profiles, and let people know what it is you do. Don't make them guess, and don't be so clever that all you put in there is some cute little phrase or sentence that really tells people absolutely nothing about you and does not help them connect the dots from them to you. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic. Do you find this same thing happening too with profiles across social media? If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If not, you can always find me on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. Also, if you're connected to the legal profession, I invite you to join my Facebook group where we discuss marketing, business development, content, social and digital media, And you can find that by searching Facebook for Social Media for Lawyers with Nancy Myrland. When you do, let me know this is how you found out about the group here on this flash briefing. Thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them right here. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.